Hi guys, this is Bruce, founder and CEO of Meishi, and I'm going to run you through the process of building your Meishi card from start to finish. So when you sign up through the affiliate program, you make your payment, you place in the binary, you'll get logins for your affiliate back office, which you can log into. And then you're going to get a second email from Meishi. So you got two different, you got a back office and you got a dashboard. The back office is to run your affiliate program. There will be a button there that will link you to the Meishi dashboard. But for now, you're going to have two different logins. So once you've logged in, you've signed into the affiliate's back office, you're going to get this email as you see on my screen now. I've just got the two pages open. So I'm going to show you from start to finish how to build a Meishi card. I'm just going to use some random images, so just ignore all the images. I'm just going to show you the functionality and the workflow. So on the email, you're going to get your username, which would be your email address. I'm just using another email address of my own, and a password. And just, if you have a look in the brackets here, use everything in between the quotes. So everything in between the inverted commas here. So email on the dashboard, I'm going to type in my email address. Meishi@me.com. Okay. Password, I'm just going to copy it over here. Everything in between the quotes, copy, paste. You can also click on the little R to see your password and then log in. Okay, so once you've logged in like that, just make sure everything in between the quotes, otherwise you're going to struggle to log in. Then it's going to ask you to choose a new password. So I'm going to choose a password. If you have a look, it will also tell you at least 8 characters, a number, a special character, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. I'm going to just confirm it underneath. There we go. And then confirm. Then it's going to ask you for a verification code. Let me just get it off my phone quickly. Okay, verification code 856 796796. Then you click verify. Just save the password, and then you're in. Let me just get rid of my one page. There we go. So you'll notice a chatbot that will keep on popping up. If you get stuck with anything, you can tap on the chatbot, and myself, Shahid, or one of the developers will answer you. There's also a whole lot of questions and answers programmed in there, and with some videos. So just have a look in there if you get stuck. But this video should help you. So you're going to see dashboard, and you're going to see my companies. Dashboard is your analytics, and my companies will be the company that you're going to set up. So if you click on the little I, so it's going to ask you to create a template first. And just bear in mind that you need to create a template. You need to create an admin user that will be an admin to edit your template. Then you need to create a team. A team is like a department. So this is developed for corporate and enterprise companies, because that's eventually who we're going to sell our software onto, the bigger corporates. So they can have multiple templates, they can have multiple admins, and they can have multiple teams. So a team is like a department, a sales department, parts department, a workshop, advertising, admin department, management, whatever it is. So you can have different departments, and you can allocate different templates to those departments, which is quite nice. It sounds a bit confusing. We didn't have it in the previous version, and there was a huge demand for it. So that's why we've added it in. Okay, so before I create the template, you'll see at the bottom right, there's a menu button. If you click on that, you can actually go edit your company's details. So when you get it, it's probably going to have a little logo that says your logo here. So you just click on the little shield, upload your logo. I've already done mine already. Press next, all your billing info, make sure it's all correct, and then just press update. Okay, and like I said, that's all in this menu bottom at the bottom right. Templates, which we're going to create now, and then manage admins, which we'll add an admin just now. So create template. This is quite straightforward. The tricky part is resizing your images, which I'll show you now how to do. Template name, I'm going to just call it Meishi Making Moves. This is just a demo for me to show you guys. So I'm going to copy and paste it. Template description, you can put a description in there. I'm just keeping it the same for now. Okay, so location and address. So you'll see at the top it's gone from number 1 to number 8, and every page you can allow the portfolio holder to edit. So you're just making a template now, which is the basic iframe and design, and then you can actually invite team members to build their own Meishi cards. So those people that build their own Meishi card, you can allow them to edit or not. So I'm just going to say allow to edit, so they can also edit their location on their cards if you've got agents or employees in different areas. But just for now, I'm going to type in Cape Town. Over there, you just click Cape Town. It's linked to Google Maps. Street, I'm just going to put Sandown Estate, Big Bay, Cape Town, Western Cape, country. If you just spell it out, it will actually pick it up for you. South Africa, postal code 7441. Okay, and you just click next at the bottom left, and then you just carry on. Contact numbers, I'm going to allow the end Meishi portfolio holder to add in their own details. You can put in your landline number, fax number, I don't know who still uses fax, or an alternative number in here. You can leave mobile number out, which the end portfolio holder, whether it's yourself or someone else, can add in. Okay, I'm just going to click next. This year, I'm just going to put in my website. I'm not going to go through all the fields, otherwise this video is going to be too long. So just my website is https://meishi.me. There we go, there's my website. You can put in your chatbot. All you need to do, whether you've got a live chat or chatbot, chatbot's one of the features that we build. So we can build a chatbot for you. We'll give you a URL. You can just pop the URL in at the bottom here. So I'll click next. Actually, sorry, let me just go back. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna, now we're going to customize the homepage. So if you go layout, you see where it says, hi, I'm John Doe, you can put that in the center, which doesn't look too nice. I prefer to click top. So the actual text will be in line with your logo, so it's nice and even. I've got a bit of OCD, so I like everything to be straight and even. Heading text, you can choose a font and colors. I like to leave it white over here. Subheading text, you can customize. I'm going to leave it exactly like that. I'm not going to change it. Paragraph text, that's if you swipe left, all your writing, I'm going to leave that on the same font and white. Introduction text, so at the top here where it says hi, I am, you can put welcome or hello, my name is, or you can leave it out if you want to. So I'm just going to leave it as hi, I am. I quite like that. The separator over here, you can change colors. I'm going to leave that standard for now in white. The arrows, so you can customize it. So I'm going to leave the actual arrow white inside, and then the outside of it, I'm just going to go get Meishi colors now. I've got everything in here, Meishi colors. I'm going to make it the Meishi blue. copy. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight it and copy it with our hex value. So if you don't have a corporate brand in an exact hex color, I mean, you can just tap on the color picker here and you can actually just go and change the colors. So you can find your color on the color picker, but I know my hex color for my company, so I'm just going to paste my blue in there. Homepage color, which is this side over here. I'm going to make that the same blue as Meishi. Paste. There we go. And brand slogan, I'm not using it, but you can actually put a little brand slogan at the bottom on the right hand side. Yeah, I'm going to leave that out for now. Chatbot styling, you can customize your chatbot. I'm just going to make this the Meishi blue again. Okay, and this is the only tricky part out of this whole build. You need to, we've got an auto size feature in there, but if you want your Meishi card with 100% crisp look and feel and no pixelation at all, you need to get it to these exact sizes. So the fav icon, it says at the bottom here, 512 pixels by 512 pixels. So if you don't have access to Photoshop or any of those programs, maybe just ask a professional or ask one of us. It must be that 512 by 512, and the background of the image, you need to make it transparent. Then it fits perfectly and it's going to look very professional. So I've made one up already. So this is mine here, my Meishi logo. This is 512 by 512, and you can see I've made it transparent behind the little two Meishi men bowing here. Organizational logo, that's the one that's going to be on your front landing page. I'm just going to put the same logo in. I've already resized it and made it transparent. And then your homepage image. So when you send your Meishi card to someone, this is the first thing that they're going to see. This has to be the most eye-catching out of all of them. So at the top, we've got an image for mobile view, if they viewed on mobile, which 90% of the people are going to be. So that should be your best image. And at the bottom for desktop, so that is a different size as well. So if someone opens it up on their laptop or desktop, it will have another image. So I've made them both the same, and again it has to be these exact sizes. So mobile must be 480px by 1200px, so that's going to be elongated from top to bottom, and desktop will be 1600 pixels by 1200 pixels. So that's the only part that you need a professional to make. If you know how to do it, then you can do it. But it's very easy to do. I'm not a graphic designer at all, but I've got Photoshop and a couple of other programs. I can make these in 30 seconds. So this top one, I already made something up. Let me just go find it. So I just made up a lettuce, and this is exactly 480 by 1200px. So I'm just going to choose that. It's just an image that I made for another client of ours. And then desktop is this one over here. So I've already named it PC or desktop. And you'll see this is just the shape of your desktop. So once you've got all of that, you can click next. And now the about page, which is the left hand side page, font color, background color. I know exactly what color I'm looking for. I like a light gray. So if you just move the color picker to gray, sorry, I'm actually going to make this the Meishi colors. There we go. So that's the button. Social media, you can customize them and leave it the same. The background color, this is the one where I like the light gray, sorry. So I'm just having a look at the preview now. So I'm just keeping it to the left. That's a darker gray. I kind of like a light gray like that. I'm going to copy that hex. So I'm going to make the other side uniform. Make sure it looks the same. Copy. So I'm going to go next. It says portfolio page styling, which is the right hand side. I'm going to make it the same gray. So I just paste the hex in there, and you can see it's turned into the same color gray as the left hand side. So now my right and the left are going to look the same. title fonts, I like these white. I'm going to leave it white, which is a triple F or double F. Next, template settings. So when you save it to your home screen, which most people are going to do you want it to save as your fav icon, or do you want it to save as your profile photo? So at the bottom here, I'm just going to leave it on fav icon for now. And the form on the left, if someone fills out that form, where do you want it to go to? Do you want it to go to your email address or an external email address? So you can choose either yours, so the cardholder's email address, or a static email address. So you can put in the email address of your PA or secretary or admin department. That's up to you. So I'm going to leave it cardholder's address and then complete template. Wait a couple of seconds. And there's my template complete. It says template successfully completed. Okay, so then you click the back button where it says back to manage templates. Okay, there we go. And then just before you carry on, just make sure that you create an admin. Sorry, let me just go back to Teams. Okay, there we go. So you have no team. So I actually create the team first before the admin. So I'm going to call it, you can have sales team. I'm just going to call it, let me just call it Meishi Sales. Description, I'm just going to say sales. And then you can allocate a different template to a different team. So I've only made one template so far. This is Meishi Making Moves. That's a template. So I'm going to allocate this template to that team and then create team. Okay, it says successful. And then if you go to the bottom right, before you do anything else, before you actually make a Meishi card, go to the bottom right. This is very important. And manage admins. So I've already, before I started the video, I've put myself as an admin. So just create an admin, or add at the bottom right, you can add a new admin. So you can have multiple admins as well. So I've done that already. Okay, so now you've made your template, you've made your team, and you've made your admin. Now you actually want to go populate your Meishi card. So the first part is just the design and look and feel of it. Now you're actually going to build your Meishi card. So you're going to, once you've refreshed your screen, you're going to get the extra entity here. It says My Meishi Portfolio, and then you just click the plus. Okay. Now there's 6 steps at the top. Basics, address, contact, social media, bio, portfolio, links. And then you'll have your Meishi card. Actually very simple, just that little bit of photoshopping that you need to get it looking 100%. So first step, upload your profile photo. You can put in a company logo or your profile photo. I'm going to find a profile photo of myself. And just make sure that you get it those same specs again, 512 pixels by 512. It has to be that size. Otherwise, the aspect ratio is going to be out. So I've already done mine. You'll see it's perfectly square 512 by 512. I'm going to put in my name, surname, first I put in capitals, middle name, I'm just going to put J for John. Display name, you can just put your first name. I want my first name and surname. Professional title, I am the founder of Meishi, which was founded 10 years ago, and I am the current CEO of Meishi. Now you don't have to use both lines, you can just use the top line. I just find if you've got a longer title, it's quite nice and professional to use both. Location, so when you've done the template in the previous, where it says My Companies, you can hit the little toggle switch that says allow cardholder to edit. So if you've got agents working for you in different towns or different countries, they can put in their own locations and addresses. So mine is the same as the template. Contact numbers, just make sure that you put your international dialing code +27 for South Africa 636840131. You can put in your landline number, fax number. I'm not sure if anyone's using faxes anymore, or an alternative number. then you click next. So all your social media icons, I'm not going to go through all of them now, but we're on all of these. WhatsApp, so this is quite important. If you want to put in your WhatsApp, you must just put in the https:// so WhatsApp will be wa.me/ leave out the plus, put in the 27, your international dialing code, then the rest of your number without the 0. So mine is 06368403131. Telegram is https:// Telegram is going to be t.me.me/ if you go into your Telegram app on your phone, you tap on your icon or your profile photo at the top, and it will let you put in a username. So you can put in that username, and then you can input it into your Meishi portfolio. So mine is Bruce Koenig. Okay, Signal. As I said before, a lot of people are going away from WhatsApp and Facebook for various reasons. I'm a big fan of Signal. I've been trying to move over to it and get all my friends and family over and colleagues. It's a slow process, but I'm getting there. So that's coming soon, probably in the next week or so. I don't want to overpromise, but our developers are working on it at the moment. Okay, so for your Zoom, your virtual meeting room, most people are on Zoom. So, and a lot of people don't know how to find their Zoom link. So all you should do is you open up Zoom. Okay, once you've got Zoom open, let me just sign in. Okay, password. Okay, so once you logged into your Zoom account, you just click on the top left profile, and that will give you your Zoom link in the middle. You can just click show and then highlight this URL. This is your Zoom link. Copy, go back to the dashboard and paste it in over there. Your chatbot you can put in there. I'm not going to put it in now. We do have a chatbot. You click next. Bio, I'm just going to click bio here. So your portfolio links, if you swipe to the right, so this is where you can put links to your website, links to multiple websites, links to specific parts of your website. You can upload your PDFs, your brochures, your flyers, application forms. You can upload everything here. If you don't have a form, you can purchase one from the Meishi team. You can give us your old-fashioned paper PDF form, and we'll actually code an online form where your customers can actually tap on your Meishi card, fill in all the details. We've got electronic signatures that can sign with their fingers, so we can make the forms for you. They are $15 each. Or a catalog page turner, you can just send us your whole catalog in PDF, also $15, and we will turn it into a catalog page turner where your clients can actually page with their fingers. So you can contact one of us at Meishi for that. So I'm just going to show you how to upload a URL and how to upload a PDF. So you click add item. I'm going to do my website, so I'm going to type in, let me actually type in Meishi website. You can click over here, PDF or URL. I'm just going to leave it on URL. Meishi website is https://meishi.me, and then you can upload a portfolio logo. So important for this, again, exactly the same size, 512 by 512 pixels, and make sure that you make your background transparent. It will look really professional when you put it in. You don't have to. If you don't make the background transparent, it's going to put square blocks in instead of the actual logo. So I've already made mine 512 by 512, and I've transparented the background. You can see there's no background, and I upload it, and then you just click the bottom right add, and this will actually add the link. Okay. And then I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF. So let me say Meishi newsletter. I'm going to click on PDF. You click on the little paper clip so you can actually browse your files. Meishi, new Meishi material, Meishi newsletter, double click. There we go, it's uploaded, and then you can upload a logo again. So you can go to any one of those websites where you can get free icons. You can actually download the icons. You can download them with transparent backgrounds. Just make sure that it's in a block 512 by 512. Okay, I'm just going to choose a logo now. Okay, there's my logo and click add. And that's how easy it is. So you've got 14 spaces. You actually had 15 spaces. So 14 links or flyers or brochures. And the space number 15 will be your QR code that you're going to use to share your Meishi card. Okay, there we go. Then you just click complete at the bottom. And magic happens. There's your Meishi card. So if you want to go view your Meishi card now, you'll see you've got a little pencil to edit. So you can go back and edit it free of charge. Or you can click on the little eye. You can see at the top I've already got an email with my Meishi card. And there's my Meishi card. Please excuse the lettuce. I was just using that because I had it on hand. But you can see that the lettuce, I made it 1600 by 1200. You can see how perfect and crisp the lettuce looks, pardon the pun. So yeah, there's your Meishi card. So if you want to get the link to your Meishi card here in the top URL, here it is there. Meishi making moves 0001, because I'm the first person to have this card. So you can copy that and paste it into a WhatsApp, and then you save it to your home screen. So what happens from there, this is a web app. You open it on your mobile phone, save it to your home screen, then it's going to turn into the progressive web app. You see it'll get rid of the URL at the top and the ugly gray bar at the bottom. And that's how you create a Meishi card from start to finish. This video, I'm going to put it in the back office, so you're welcome to have a look at it and refer back to it at any time. Thank you very much.